I forgot. I'm not British. Hi everyone, we're ready for our next experiment. And for this experiment, you will need an adult with you because you will be using a stove. You'll also need a pot, a spoon, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, a temperature gun or a temperature gauge that actually goes up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as 160 degrees Celsius, food coloring of your choice, and finally a bowl of ice. So let's get started. Let's start with a cup of sugar, and half a cup of water, then a food coloring of your choice. I'm going to make the color of fire, which is a little bit of yellow and red. Mine's gonna be pretty dark. I think I used a lot of dye for that. Then I'm gonna mix it up. Let's see what color we get. Looks pretty cool. And I'm going to turn the burner, make sure it's the right one, to high. Now, as this heats up, the sugar crystals will turn to liquid as they dissolve into the water. Now, this can actually happen without heat, of course. The heat just makes it go a little bit faster. As you can see, the liquid has started to boil. The sugar has been dissolved, and now we are working our way up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see how hot this is so far. So far, 104 degrees Celsius. We are looking for 160 degrees Celsius. Oh, boy. And now I will trap the heat energy. As you know, it is escaping through the air with a process called convection. Right now, a lot of heat energy is acting upon this matter.
Do not touch the bubbles, no matter how pretty they look.
Ooh, 129. Science does take patience. I've transferred ice to a metal bowl, not a glass bowl. Wow, this heat energy is also being transferred to sound energy. Remember, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is only transferred from one type to another. Make sure that the heat transfer does not occur to your hand. Oh, we are just at the correct temperature, and it is time to take it off the burner immediately because this will burn. It's time to place this into our ice mixture. Now this hardens back into a solid from a liquid, we will see rock candy take shape. Now this is an amazing type of candy and so simple to make. And basically we're just manipulating matter and energy in the branch we know as physics. You are now getting rid of some of the liquid. As the ice melts, you need all of the ice to melt so you can easily take the candy out without breaking it.
only see a car.